how to take things out using the clone stamp and content aware and just a couple little tricks. So right here we have our photo again. I'm just going to click here and I'm going to call this road and we're going to click OK. So what I'm going to do is I'm now going to blow up this area because I want to take out this white line. So when doing so, I am now going to take my polygonal lasso and I could just go like this and I can go to edit, fill, content aware, and then just have it fill it. When we get down to here, and I'm going to blow this area, so we're going to click on our marquee to deselect. And then I'm going to just blow this area up now as we move up the road. I could take this out a couple different ways. So I'm going to show you how to use the clone stamp. And when I use the clone stamp, I could pick the brush size and the hardness of the brush that I want. And I'm going to hold Option, Alt Option, and I'm going to click and drag. And then I can go in and remove that line. So I can also now go from another angle and take it out. And then go in from this angle, click and drag. So that it looks like it was never there. And if I go in here and I do the same, I'm just going to click and drag up straight. Click and drag from the left. And if you can see, it was never there. It looks like it was never there. So if I go to Command 0, you can't even tell it was there. This little blue sign right here, if I wanted to take that out, so we're just going to blow that up. And if we want to take that out, we're also going to use the clone stamp or content aware. So I'll show you both. So right now I'm on the clone stamp. I'm just going to click and drag up. And it's filled in. I can now pull in from the right if I wanted to, and just add some in there, and you can never even tell it was there, or that yellow, or even that yellow. And there's that sign all the way in the back, and you can take that out. It's very simple to do, and it just makes it look good by taking everything out and having all these different options. If you see, it's pulling. So I'm going to go Command Z a couple times. And I can make my brush smaller. And I can now go in from the left and pull that out. And now it's gone. If I want to take these lines out, again, I would probably use the clone stamp. I can make it larger. And you could just go straight down and take it out. If you can see what's happening, right? It's because the brush is too big. So I'm going to Command Z it until I get it back to where I want. Remember, you could always undo. Command Z to undo. So one of the things here is that I could go and use the polygonal lasso to take a few of these out if I wanted. And then just go to Edit, Fill, and then Content Aware. So there's so many options here, but it's great to have these options because now you can work with your photo so much easier. You can even, maybe take some of this out with Content Aware and try it. And there you go. So I hope that really helped, and it's always fun to use Spot Healing, Content Aware, the lasso tool, and also the clone stamp.